Technology and biochemistry are considered two very intimidating topics, especially this early in the morning. But a group of talented students make it look very easy. That's why Steve Poitras is live at MSUM this morning. Steve, give us the formula for a great morning.
Well, it's getting up at 10 to 4, having a little coffee, and going to work with mates like you and Michelle and Rocky and Wade and the whole bunch. That's the formula. We're at the new science building on the campus of MSU Moorhead with the chairman of the biochemistry department. I'm correct there, right? Joe Provost.
Yep.
And basically you wanted to get people aware of just how much research is going on here thanks to some research grants from such places as the National Science Foundation, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got about $800,000 worth of research grants going on now, and it's really important that we get out to the community that MSUM is a great place to do research, things like cancer research, biofuels, heart disease, and really what's really important, I think, is that we involve undergraduates and even high school students. This morning we have high school students from Fargo, Perham, Otter Tail. We've had people here from high school in Mandan, and we send our college students to MIT, to Harvard, to go to grad school, to med school. These kids get jobs before they ever finish up, and it's because of the research we do here.
All right.
And over here we have some of those.
Yeah, here's some of the youngsters over here, both undergraduates and high school students. We've got Margaret and Maggie and DC, and we've Christy and Megan, and over here is a gentleman a little older, David Rodenbaugh.
Rodenbaugh, yes.
And you're into something some research having to do with
cardiovascular physiology. So it's basically just how the heart functions, and I have research projects looking at spinal cord injury and the impacts on cardiovascular disease, as well as gender differences. And the students that I involve in my projects, one of the things I always talk about is that women aren't aware that cardiovascular disease is a serious risk factor for death and disease in older women once they're past menopause.
Yeah, I think, we mostly associate heart attacks happening to men, but they do strike women as well.
Right, and they're very much more lethal, and the therapies that are available, they're not very responsive to them. So a lot of my research looks at how the brain impacts the heart after the cardiovascular incident, and then how you could do things like exercise to improve the therapy or treatments.
Now, you are part of the biochemistry faculty or the biotechnology? Or?
The biotechnology department, or program, actually, and I'm actually a member of the biosciences department.
All right. David Rodenbaugh. We'll be back for more visits here in the new science building, the lab with the research that's going on at Minnesota State University Moorhead. For the Valley Today, I'm Steve Poitras.
Thank you, Steve. Boy, it's a lot of technology there.
Oh my goodness.
Early in the morning.
Biochem at 5:30?
Yeah, why not? Get it over with.
Yeah, really. I think they enjoy it.
It looks